Hi, I'm Jeff.
And I'm Brittany, and we're here to tell you about one must-have product that'll make your life easier and help your business become more successful.
We're talking about Rebel H. MACtac's economical, high bond, multi-print, high opacity, sticks to just about everything digital print media. Are you tired of going back out to your job and having to replace graphics that have lifted off of powder-coated paints?
Frustrated with sticking to the world's most common plastics, polyethylene and polypropylene?
How about MDO board and low VOC paints? Then pay attention.
MACtac's Rebel H solves all these problems and more. Jeff and I will show you a few Rebel H applications to these common, difficult, hard to adhere to surfaces.
All right, Brittany, let's go do it. Just like any application, surface prep is important. You want to stick to the surface, not to the dirt.
First, clean the surface with detergent and water to remove the dirt and grime. Then wipe it down again with isopropyl alcohol to remove any oil, grease, and remaining soap residue.
Next, you line up your Rebel H graphic. I like to hinge the graphic for this. Line it up and stick down the exposed adhesive. Now finish up by removing the remaining liner and squeegeeing the graphic down as you go.
These are small installs, so it looks pretty easy, but that's the point. These are hard to adhere to surfaces. When using Rebel H, you know it's stuck for good. There's no need to worry about coming back later to fix it.
That's right. The job is done and you can move on to your next job with peace of mind. We just showed you some examples of adhesion to low energy surfaces. There are lots more. There's polyethylene, polypropylene, polystyrene, and polyester. These are all used in the manufacture of things like motocross, trash cans, milk jugs, and sign blanks, just to name a few.
Another low energy surface is powdered coated paints, like what you see on ATMs, vending machines, and hundreds of other factory finished items.
Not only does Rebel H stick to just about everything, but it's multi-print. That means you can print wide format solvent, eco-solvent, latex, and UV. You can print thermal transfer, or you can print UV and solvent screen.
Part of the reason it's multi-print is due to the super flat liner that allows your media to feed smoothly through your printing process for a much more consistent image.
Plus, Rebel H has one of the brightest white points on the market that gives your graphics that extra pop.
So go to your distributor and ask for a roll of Rebel H, the original high-tack, multi-print, wide format graphic media. Don't settle for an imitation.
And remember, stay sticky, my friends.